Hi guys, and welcome back to Creative Pet Keeping. This is Banana and she is ready to have her tail dyed. As you can see, her tail has been fading for quite a long time. It has a little bit of yellow left here. It's a little grayish looking because I did try chalking her tail a few weeks ago and that dyed her tail a little bit. So as you can see, there's still some residue even though most of it was washed off. But for the most part, her tail is ready to be re-dyed. Got some tin foil out here ready and some of the material. So I'm going to show you again. I have a previous video of how I dyed her tail. I'm going to do another one. For this video, I'm going to use a scrunchie to tie off the black part of her tail. I'm going to use this to separate different parts. This is the soft brush I use for Banana to brush out her tail so it doesn't pull on her tail if there's any tangles. Gloves. I'm actually using this paintbrush because I ordered a special brush that you use, to help spread out the dye, but it hasn't gotten here yet, so this is plan B. And I will be using Opals as always, just doggy hair dye, and then for the pink tips, I'm using normal pink dye. I am using mixing cups if I need them, and this is extra tin foil. So this is Banana's majestic tail. As you can see, it's so beautiful. It's better than my own hair. Banana's hair is totally on fleek. Banana, get up there. There you go. Aren't you the coolest banana corn in the world? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're the cutest puppy ever. So if you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends so everyone can see Banana's cuteness and see how awesome her unicorn tail is, because she's majestical and magical. Majestical doggies like her need to have majestical hair colors, right? Yeah. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Banana says please subscribe. And click that notification button so you don't miss out any future videos. And while you're watching this, we are camping right now. We are in Colorado with our doggy friends, so be sure to follow us on Instagram and our other social media. She's trying to get kisses. But be sure to follow our other social media so you can see our adventures of awesomeness with so many awesome dogs. It's gonna be the best ever. You don't know what to do with yourself, do you? She's like, I don't understand. How do I get the human to pet me? I really want to get petted, but the human is talking to the phone. Pet me, please. Look how cute I am. Look at my cute fish.